What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best car scratch removers. No matter how carefully you drive and park, it's almost impossible to avoid getting a scratch on your car or truck. But if it's not through the clear coat and into the paint, there are a lot of products available to choose to car scratch removers, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car scratch removers product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Meguiar's M10508 Mirror Glaze. Meguiar's is a trusted brand among car care enthusiasts, and the company has several products that can be used to remove scratches. The most popular one for home use is its Mirror Glaze Ultra Cut Compound, which can remove 1200 grit or finer sanding marks. That's relatively rough for sanding, as other products work on 2000 to 2500 grit, making it a good choice for fine scratches. It's not as aggressive as a true cutting compound, so you'll have trouble getting out deeper scratches without a buffer, if at all. The product contains no fillers, and is a VOC-compliant formula that is safe to use on all paint finishes, including scratch-resistant and conventional clear coats. It features an exclusive super micro-abrasive technology that leaves a best-in-class finish, and is formulated for use by hand, dual-action polisher, or a rotary buffer. Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Ultra Cut Compound also works great to get rid of blemishes and scratches in your clear coat prior to waxing or polishing. It has a very good 89% positive rating from over 3,500 reviews. Positive side of this product: many helpful resources, easy to use, affordable. Negative side of this product: dries fast, so it can be hard to remove. Number 2. 3D Speed Car Scratch Remover. 3D Car Care produces the only all-in-one with a 90% or better rating that meets our criteria. If you don't want to do a separate waxing step, and there is only a small area of damage to worry about, you could feel good about choosing Speed over any of the other top choices. Like SONAX, 3D Speed uses a cutting compound that breaks down into finer particles as you use it, removing its own swirls as you repair the scratches on your car. Then, it includes a synthetic wax sealer to polish and shine as you keep buffing. Like any scratch remover, you can do all of this by hand, but it's a lot of work for larger areas. As you think from the description, it's not a good choice for deeper scratches where you would want a heavy cutting compound, but it's also so gentle that the manufacturer says it's safe to use on fiberglass gel coat, plastics, paint protection films, and even glass. Number 3. Meguiar's Scratch X Remover. This bottle is just a larger version of the scratch removing compound you get with our best overall entry, the Meguiar's Scratch Removal Kit. It works well, but is a bit pricey, and you might as well just get the full kit. The Scratch X version does take care of scratches well on its own with just a microfiber, and results after our 3 30-second passes were solid. It has a pleasant smell and isn't runny, making it easy to manage. But at this price, you might as well save yourself the arm workout and just get the full kit from Meguiar's. This bottle is just a larger version of the scratch removing compound you get with our best overall entry, the Meguiar's Scratch Removal Kit. It works well, but is a bit pricey, and you might as well just get the full kit. The Scratch X version does take care of scratches well on its own with just a microfiber, and results after our 3 30-second passes were solid. Positive side of this product: decent smell. Isn't runny, making it easy to manage. Negative side of this product: pricey, just get the full kit from Meguiar's. Number 4. Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch. Rounding out our honorable mentions, the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew bottle performed quite well. The compound is noticeably grainier than the rest, which worried us a tad. But once we got into applying it to the scratch, it worked like a charm. After 3 30-second passes, the results were comparable to those of the other one-step removers that received honorable mentions. Wiping the truck clean required a few more swipes, thanks to the product's graininess, but improvements came with each pass. Like with the rest of these one-step removers, the more passes you complete, the better the results. While this is a solid choice, we still recommend you purchase one of the kits mentioned earlier. While the picture makes it seem like the scratch is completely gone, the blemish is still faintly there. Capturing it on the body panel's angle proved to be tricky. Positive side of this product: thick compound, easy to manage. Price right in the middle. Negative side of this product: off-putting grainy consistency means extra time to wipe clean. Number 5. SONAX Profiline Perfect Finish. SONAX makes a variety of cutting and polishing compounds to correct paint and clear coat issues, and Profiline Perfect Finish being is the most popular option available. It'll do a great job removing hairline scratches and other paint imperfections, and is forgiving enough that you're not likely to polish through into the color coat. As a bonus, the compound breaks down into finer particles as you polish, making it smoother and smoother as you go. We recommend starting out with a compound like this if it's your first time using a buffer, because you're not likely to damage your finish. It wouldn't do a good job on deeper scratches, however, so if you're not happy with the results, you should use something more aggressive, like SONAX's Profiline Cut Maxer or your number 2 choice, T-Cut. After that, you can decide if you need to go back to the perfect finish to complete the process. It's also very expensive, but you'll probably use less than a cheaper polish. SONAX Profiline Perfect Finish has a best in category 96% positive rating from over 1,300 reviews. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.